What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are at the Dragstrip and we have the wife's car out here, but we're not going to run the wife's car. It don't have that many miles, and we're going to get a little break in before we send it down the track. How you liking the car? You've had it now for a few hours. Guys, if you caught the last video, I bought this car for her, and just earlier today I just did the video, and we decided to bring out the track and get some miles on it. Since my 500, the clutch is still not broke in, so we cannot run it down the track. So, but we've got some awesome cars here, and we're gonna go check out right now. All right, guys, we are out here with Toby, and what do you have here?
2010 Camaro.
So it's 2010 Camaro, and it's got a little something done to it. So what size turbo is this?
88 VS Racing.
Man, thing's massive. And if you watched the footage from earlier, you ran what, a
618.
618? So is it the LS3? Is it a build motor?
It's the LS3. Got forwards, pistons and rods, stock crank, stock head, stock intake, stock throttle body, and a custom comp cam.
And you got a turbo 400?
Turbo 400. S60 rear end, strange rear end under it. Still independent suspension. Got the G-force axles and a Carlisle 15-inch brake conversion.
Man. Now you was running, how much? That last run you ran at 618, how much boost? Hold on. How much boost did you leave on?
I left on 9 pounds.
So 9 pounds of boost.
And I ramped it to 12.
And you ramped it to 12. So now you're fixing to try to leave off 12.
That's right.
Woo!
And hope it sticks. I'd like at least a 6.0. I said I wanted a 640 tonight. So I'm already happy.
You're already happy. He wanted a 640 and he ran a 618. I'd be happy too. So we're gonna get this when he runs again. We will get more video of this, but this thing is just plain sick.
It's beautiful, man.
Now the inside, you got full interior too, right?
Full interior.
Full interior. That's what I'm talking about.
Heated seats, power windows.
Heated seats, power windows. I mean, yeah, you gotta love it. Street car, baby. Now this is a street car. Love it, man. So we're gonna get some footage of this, more footage of this when he runs in a little bit. Come on, stay in it. 624. We got some Dodge on Ford Crime right here. I think the Dodge got a little something special though up its sleeve. the wind. There he goes. $627. Watch. 612. Oh, so close. So close. All right. Oh. Philip, what are you doing? Philip is just the rental car. Guys, go watch his video. In his video, I didn't get no footage for me tonight, but go watch his video. 50 Philroy, go watch it. He races the rental car.
He spent tires.
You ain't got no sense, man. Cody, you need to start a channel.
Darn right you need to start a channel. Shit.
So drop a comment below if Cody needs to start a channel. I want to see Cody's channel. Because I know you send it because you go through tires like nobody else.
Yeah. Brand new Mickey Thompson already went through.
I mean, you've had your Mickey Thompson for how long now?
A month. Yeah,
Mickey Thompson EG Street SS's, and you're showing why?
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Yeah. So in the past 8 months, I'm fixing to have $2,200 in tires.
So guys, I think he needs to start a channel. I really do, because I think his channel would be really good.
If you guys add him on Snapchat, you'll see why. I wonder who left these black marks.
All right, Toby, you win a 612.
612.
Leave it on 10 pounds of boost.
One is 60.
Now, this is a bad machine. One is a 60, but it's 21.
I wanted a 640.
But it's, well, you wanted a 640, but then you got to 618, and then you're like, I want a 60.
Exactly.
Try different combinations, and the best combination so far has been leaving on 10 pounds and ramping into 12.
Ramping it into 12.
So, man, and you haven't had this car that long either.
This is the third time I've been out with it.
Third time you've been out, already running 6.1s. This car has got a lot of potential. I think this thing's gonna be 5s before you know it.
Please. Maybe.
Do what?
Maybe.
Oh, dude, it's. If you're running 6.1 and 2100 DA, and guys, the humidity is bad tonight.
It is humid.
It is.
This is probably the worst I've seen it since I've run the car, humidity wise.
Yeah. You gonna be down here next weekend?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Probably.
If he is, we'll catch the car again, guys. But guys, we're fit to go grab a bite to eat. We're tired, we're hungry. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
You mind if I fist that real quick, sir? You mind if I fist that?
So Philip has figured out. What are you going to do? Philip, what are you doing?
I want to see if I can fist it. Fire it up while he does it. See, look. That's somebody's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's turbo.
Is it still hot?
Well, you're a genius. Boy, you're a genius.
Well, that's why I got my hat on, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
Don't let any of those brain cells escape. You gotta get that too many.
That's why I got this straw hat on.